samla bahun nongrum kalayo ya kanam kum kamis mikhalia arjar arpusau bat ka samla mikad khar kalayo ya kanam kum kamis tin mikhalia kani kijingi kop mis mikhalia bat mis tin mikhalia kadai kabalalong ha ka janmit ni sajan ha larji auditorium shillong na pedengki arpu arnut ki thei bhabreu na ka leng ka jela ki bai shimbanta ha kijingi kom ka samla bahun kalayo ban khur ya kanam la do kala penyabe ya kinong bishar penong petkai da kajing bhabreu kajing stan kajing daitriam bat kajupap kabasyo bha halor ki kam jungo kai ha mikhalia ya kana miss runners up la yora dak samla chai valri taryang bada ka second runners up la yora dak samla lili khar thangmau hagju kapor ka samla mikad khar kala yo kop ya kapang sngiat kum kamis tin mikhalia arjar arpusau na pedengki khat khantai ngot ki samla balai shimbanta ha kajing yakom ka samla parliament sim khain kala yora ya kanam first runners up kadba ka samla nikita nongrum kala yora ya kanam second runners up ka samla bahun kabala job ya kamis mikhalia manta kanyo ban mikmat ya kamikhalia banekun ya kamis universe india arjar arpusau kadba ka first runners up kan mikmat ya kamikhalia sha kamis northeast arjar arpusau.
I am from a small village known as Ladamba. I love dancing as it is my mind.
A very good evening to everyone present here and my dear respected judges. I, Pentingalan Garrison,
Have been possible. It's not every day that you have Bapal on the stage. So can you please have a big round of applause, especially when it comes to an event as a pageant show. A big round of applause. Thank you, sir.
Before we move on to the next round, I think there's one question. Put this question to you, Aparmita.
I hope it's not a difficult question, and I'm not. The next contestant moving on to top 10 is Dean.
contestant number 13. And the next contestant moving on to the top 10 is contestant number 16. 1-6. Contestant number 16, may we please have you on stage?
Communication, I think, yeah. Okay, my question, I will give you a very interesting question, alright? Okay, the question is, if you were given an opportunity to give one advice to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, what advice would you give and why?
Thank you, sir, first of all, for giving me these opportunities again. And at the same time, thank you for the question. Well, one advice that I would love to give to our leaders, that be a good leaders who cares for the people, who make fair decisions, and who always think about the goods of the other people who supporting them, because we know that they know, because without us they are nothing, and we can work together to promote our state and upgrade our state, and that the world would be much better. Thank you.
Wonderful.
Come on, I need to see you guys move a little bit. I see you getting old, Chris. I see you getting old, so many.
And now your time is up. Please.
Our final judge of the evening is Miss
17! Once again, the second runner-up, Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024, goes to... So once again, a very big congratulations and thank you so much, sir. Moving on to the first runner-up, Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024. And the winner is...
contestant number 8.
the crowning of Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024. To do the honor, I would like to invite up on stage the reigning Miss Teen Meghalaya 2023, Miss Angelina Jackson. Cue music, please. For Linga, and once again, a very big congratulations, Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024.
The second runner-up of Miss Universe Meghalaya is contestant number 16.
So, moving on, I would now like to call the reigning first runner-up Miss Meghalaya 2023, Miss Las Miguel. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome her back on stage. Cue music, please. Miss Universe Meghalaya 2024 goes to contestant number 13! I would also like to call Sir Benjamin Lee once. Congratulations once again. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. So, to do the honor and to crown, I would like to once again call up on stage the reigning Miss Meghalaya 2023, Miss Stella Rika Khamsni.
To announce the winner of Miss Universe Meghalaya 2024. And the winner is contestant number 18. Can you so much, girls? I would now like to invite all our guests, the chief guests, the guest of honor, and the special guests, the judges on the stage for photo session.
So, our first order of the photo session, may we please have our guests up on stage.